Every day, billions of people around the world reach for a single bowl of noodles. Fast, simple, satisfying. But behind that humble pack of instant noodles lies a world of precision engineering, high-speed machinery, and carefully controlled recipes. Today, we step inside the factory where it all begins, where raw wheat transforms into the world's most loved instant noodle. This is how Indomie is made.
Welcome to the Indomie factory. This is where efficiency and scale create the world's favorite noodles. Our team and technology work seamlessly to ensure every product meets the highest standards. Now, let's see the process.
On the left, we have pure white wheat flour, the raw ingredient. And on the right, the finished Indomie mee goreng noodles. This video will document the complete transformation.
Keep it coming, straight back. Stop, hold position.
Torque's holding steady at 85%. Looks good. Keep it steady. Discharge is even, no blockages. Flow is continuous, looks good. First pass compression looks good, sheet is uniform, feed rate is steady, ready for the second pair. Feed is smooth, no drift. Align centrally. Confirmed. Slitter is up to speed, ready. Slitting initiated, strips forming cleanly. The speed ratio here is key for the wavy texture. Adjusting the belt speed now to maintain the wave. Perfect. The curls are forming consistently. Rails are holding the lanes well. This lane needs a small tweak. Perfect. Back in alignment. Pressure is stabilizing at 150. Check temp. Temp is rising, approaching 100 degrees now. Good, we're within spec for the cook. Noodles are emerging, color looks good. Moist and sticky, fully gelatinized, good to go. Airflow is strong, moisture is lifting off the strands. Surface is drying evenly, looks good for the fryer. Confirming moisture levels are within spec, proceed to cut. Extraction rate is optimal, maintaining air quality. Vapor capture is steady, full coverage confirmed. Basket is lifting cleanly, oil drainage looks normal. Confirmed, moving to lid station now. Golden brown, perfect squares, exactly as specified. Next row is clear, consistent quality.
Final check, all blocks look uniform. Baskets are inverting cleanly, blocks dropping perfectly. No blocks stuck, full production rate maintained.
Transfer from drain conveyor looks good, no excess oil. Blocks are advancing steadily up the tiers, no jams at transitions. Cooling rate is optimal. Discharge to outfeed is smooth. Looks like we're getting a lot of rejects today. Grill levels are stable, production is on target. Quality checks are good, keep the line moving.
This video has been created for educational purpose using AI tools. The script and ideas have been inspired by publicly available information and competitor concepts and have been rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations have been generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing has been done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is for informational purpose only and does not present AI visual as real footage.